Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are in North Dakota at my wife's family ranch. It is a beautiful sunny day, as you can see behind me, and over this hill is a 1950s GMC that we're going to go ahead and try and pull out of a pasture. It's been sitting there a long time, so in order to get it out of that pasture, we've brought this trailer, that welder, and that winch. So we've got a little bit of work to do. We're going to go ahead and mount that winch to this trailer, head up over that hill, and see if we can pull that GMC out of the pasture. Let's get started.
Hey guys, my name is John with Strong Dog Garage. I want to thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button, drop us a comment below, and let us know what you like seeing. The next video is going to be pulling the GMC out of the pasture, so if you don't want to miss that, make sure you subscribe and ring that bell so you get a notification.